We love our pets, but let's face it, they can take a bite out of the family budget. And it's important for kids to understand that pet ownership comes with responsibilities and the need for good money management skills. PetSense uses pet ownership as the basis for learning about budgeting, wants versus needs, and coping with the unexpected. The game is designed for children aged 8 to 11 and is suitable for up to 10 players or up to 20 kids if played in pairs. Players should have basic reading abilities and know how to add and subtract. Inside the game box, you will discover laminated instructions, a facilitator script. Additionally, there are 10 dry erase pet cards for participants to choose their pet, everything from dogs to dragons to a tap dancing rhino. The contents also include 9 event cards, 7 earn cards, 6 station signs with sign holders, 4 station cards describing items available for sale, dry erase markers, and play money. In contrast to the other games in this kit, PetSense requires assistance from volunteers or staff. At the Middle Country Public Library, we set up 6 tables around the community room and assigned teen volunteers to manage the 6 stations, with an additional teen station at the earn station to help with transactions and ensure the money is well organized. We also ask parents to stay in the program room and encourage them to accompany their child from station to station to help with any money-related questions that might pop up. Participants kick off the activity by visiting the Adoption Center, where they choose their pets. There, they will receive a pet card, a dry erase marker, and $150 in play money. After naming their pets and paying their adoption fee, participants explore various stations, including a vet's office, food store, pet school, and pet supply store to fulfill their pet's needs, and to the extent possible, their pet's wants too. In case players run low or run out of money, they can head to the earn station and draw a card to earn extra cash. Just like unexpected things happen in real life, unexpected things happen to players during the game. Throughout the simulation, the facilitator will say freeze and read out an event card. These cards can bring either good or bad fortune. For instance, your winged pet might win a ribbon and $50 for being the highest flyer, or your pet can get bored and damage your couch, resulting in $60 in repairs. Event cards can be drawn up to 3 times during the game, at the facilitator's discretion. A post-game debrief and reflection guide are provided in the instructions and in the facilitator script. One important tip to keep in mind is to take stock of your supply of play money and make sure that you have enough on hand to accommodate the number of expected players. Keep in mind that there is additional play money in the Penny Pinchers Party Box, and you can download extra play money from the Thinking Money for Kids website. Your volunteers will need enough funds on hand to provide change quickly and keep the simulation moving along.